Good morning and welcome to all of you. Today our topic is function and I am going to introduce topic is function. Okay, the term function was first used to Leibniz to denote the dependence of one quantity on the others. Okay, so first, what is a function? Function is like a machine. Okay, a function relate an input to an output. That means for every value of x, the function associate each element in domain, we get the exactly corresponding, we get the only one element in codomain. Okay, that means the value of y. Okay, so function is related to the like a machine. Okay, and you know the function classical way of writing a function denoted by the fx. Okay, that means function of x, and this function of x denote the dependence of one quantity on the others. The term function was first used by Leibniz. Okay, आप सब समझ गए होंगे. Function of x, okay, that is the one variable. Okay, and this sign f, letter f for any symbol can be used to denote a. So if x is an element of in the domain of a function f, okay, then the element that associate of x is denoted by the symbol fx. Okay, so fx is the classical way of the writing a function, and there are the other ways you will see. Okay, for or f associate with x is denoted by the symbol fx. Okay, and it is called the image of x under f, or the value of f, or the value of f at x. Okay, so what is the possible value of fx? That means x varies over the domain of the called the range of f. Means domain से हम एक point में for every element in domain x we get the value of fx is called the image of x, is called the range. Okay, we get the range, and range is the subset of codomain. Okay, so what is the domain, what is the codomain, and write the value of fx, we get the unique value is called the function of x at point x. Okay, square function. And so here you can understand we have two non-empty set. Okay, so we have two set and a function f from a to b. As an element we take an element in set a. Okay, or for every element, for every exactly one element in b for each element of a. That means we take an element in a, set a, that means domain, and we get the exactly one element of the corresponding of each element in the domain. Okay, so it's called the function of a, and we get the value of b, and b is the unique element of the b in codomain. Okay, so assigned by the function of f in element a to a, that means f is the function of a to b, and write this form. Okay, so write this form classical way, f such that a to b. Okay, and function are the sometimes are also called mapping or transformation. You can look the definition of a function required that f assign one and only one value of x. This means that a function cannot be a multi-valued. Okay, for the expression under root x, so under root x plus minus under root x does not define a function of x, because since it assign two value of each positive value of x. Okay, so plus minus under root x is not the function of x, because function is only the single valued, we not getting the multi valued. Okay, so function cannot be multiple valued. Okay, so hope you understand what is the function. Okay, how to write a function. For each element in set a we get the exactly one element of the corresponding element in set a. Okay, is called the image of f. Okay, and we get the range of f under a. Okay, so hope you understand what is the range, what is the domain, what is the codomain, and range is the subset of codomain. Okay, that means here codomain is B, so range is subset of B. Okay, so range of F is the subset of B. आप समझ जा होंगे what is the function is like a machine. Function is like a machine. हम मशीन में एक इनपुट करें, so for each input we get the exactly one output. Okay, हम प्रत्येक इनपुट के मुताबिक हमको केवल एग्जैक्टली वन आउटपुट मिले, तो हम क्या कहेंगे, फंक्शन इज लाइक ए मशीन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इन द विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन यू कैन सी here you can understand for visualization. Okay, so we have two set A and B, and A is the domain and B is codomain. So we take an element in domain small a, okay, and we get the corresponding FA, we get the value of A under F is called the image of A, and its value is small b, and getting the small b, this value is the range. Okay, this value is range, and range is subset of codomain. So you already know what is a subset, okay, and subset of codomain. So this visualization you can understand a function write this way, f such that A to B, okay, and A is domain and B is codomain. So hope you understand what is the range, what is the image of an element, okay, image of any element in domain A. Okay, so this called the, and every any element denoted by the small letters. Okay, so hope you understand what is the domain, what is the codomain, and image and range by this visualization. Next, by graphical representation. So in graphical representation you can see here you can understand by graphical representation function can be represented by graphically in several ways. Okay, by Venn diagram, okay, by graph, plotting. Okay, so function can be, we have two set A and B, okay, and taking an element in domain A we get the exactly one element in corresponding each element in domain. So we getting the element in B in codomain. Okay, so A and B, domain A is domain and B is codomain. Okay, by graph you can understand for each element in domain we get the exactly one element in the codomain. Okay, so first all of you remember what is the graphical representation, you can understand, okay, and learn the definition, okay, and visualize this. Next, types of function. Next is types of function. In here, what is the even function? Mainly a function fx is said to be even function, is an even function if put x is equal to minus x, if both value is equal is called the even function. Okay, so fx is equal to f minus x for all value of x in domain, we put the all value of x in domain, both value is equal is called the even function. Okay, so what is the even function? A function fx is an even function if fx is equal to f minus of, if f minus x, both value is equal. सो डोमेन के हर एक पॉइंट पे fx की वैल्यू और जहाँ पे x है वहाँ पे माइनस x पुट करने पे both value is equal is called the even function. Okay, so an even function has the important properties line. So here an even function has the important property, that is it's symmetrical with the y-axis. It is symmetrical about the y-axis. जितना प्लॉटिंग y-axis से करस्पॉन्डिंग राइट साइड में होगा उतना ही क्या करेंगे प्लॉट हम लेफ्ट साइड में भी उतनी ही सिमेट्री को हम प्लॉट करेंगे. ओके, दैट इज सिमेट्रिक अबाउट द y-axis. ओके, एंड कंप्लीट स्केच ड्रा द मिरर इमेज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द y-axis. दैट मीन्स जो भी मेरा प्लॉटिंग होगा y-axis के सिमेट्री होगा. ओके, and it's the symmetrical about y-axis. Okay, for example even function is cos x. Okay, x to the power even power, y is equal to x to the power even powers as y is equal to x to the x square. Square function is the even function. Okay, cos function is the even function. So hope you understand what is the even function by graphically representation. Next, odd function. So you can टेस्टिंग फॉर ए इवन फंक्शन. कैसे हम टेस्ट करेंगे कि फंक्शन मेरा इवन है या ऑड है. सो टेस्ट वेदर ए फंक्शन इज इवन और ऑड. ओके, इफ फंक्शन इज एफ एक्स इन वन वेरिएबल, सो पुट हियर जहाँ पे एक्स वहाँ क्या करेंगे माइनस एफ एक्स. ओके, सो यूजुअली इट इज़ बेटर टू यूज एक्स इज इक्वल टू गिवन पॉइंट ए. ओके, एनी पॉइंट, सो यू कैन चेक at a points. Okay, first we factorize this fx, we get the two value x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3. So put here f at the point 3. So if we check f3 in fx, so we get the value is 6. Okay, and same way if we put at the point जहाँ पे x equal to 3 put किया वहाँ पे x equal to minus 3 put करेंगे. So both value is equal. After solving both value is equal, then we say this is the even function. So f minus 3 is equal to f3, is value is equal, then we say this is the even function. Okay, so x to the power 2 है यहाँ पे, exponent is 2 here, this is the square function. So always square function is even, you can understand, and cos x is the even function. And next example you can understand here, we get first we given the expression function of x. Okay, factorize this power 2, that means we getting the value of 2. जितना पावर उतने नंबर ऑफ जीरोज मिलते हैं इक्वेशन के. ओके, सो फंक्शन के एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3 है. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी गेट द टू वैल्यूज. ओके, एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस. ओके, एंड पुट द वैल्यू, इफ बोथ वैल्यू इज इक्वल, then say this is the even function or odd function. So hope all of you understand how to check. Okay, so next example here, prove that this function is the even function. Okay, so a proof statement required to start with the left hand side and arrive to the right hand side. So first here gx is equal to x square multiplies x square minus 4 is the even function. So gx is the given function of x. Okay, and put the value of minus x at the point of x. If both value is equal, then say this is the even function. Second example, under root x square minus 4. So अभी मैंने पीछे बताया था कि प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट x, for every value of x we getting the two values. Okay, not the single valued. So function cannot be multiple valued. Okay, so under root plus minus under root x does not define a function of x. Okay, it assign for the two value of each positive x. So here, so that fx is equal to under root x square minus 4 is an even function. So first start with the left hand side. Okay, function is given, function is even or odd. By visualization, any function whose power is 2, power is the multiple of 2, is known as the even function. Okay, so by checking, how to check function is even, जहाँ पे भी x है वहाँ क्या करेंगे माइनस x पुट करेंगे. if value is equal, if both value is equal, means f minus x equal to fx, then say this is the function of even function. Okay, so next is odd function. How to say the function is odd? If function is given fx, okay, a function is given fx, y is equal to fx, is said to be an odd function. Fx is an odd function if fx is equal to f minus x. If both value is equal, then say this is the odd function. So f minus x is equal to minus of fx, जहाँ पे हम x की वैल्यू पे क्या पुट करें माइनस x पुट करें, और क्या वैल्यू आए इज इक्वल टू माइनस एफ एक्स फॉर ऑल वैल्यू ऑफ x इन डोमेन. सो हम डोमेन में कोई भी पॉइंट लें, डोमेन से कोई भी पॉइंट लें. व्हाट इज़ द डोमेन? डोमेन मीन्स all points lies in the x-axis. Okay, and by graphically, an odd function has the important property, its symmetry about the 180 degree rotation with the origin. Okay, 180 degree rotation with the about the origin this allow us to plot, that means it is symmetrically about y is equal to x axis. If we plot a line y is equal to x, okay, that the line passing through the 45 degree about the with the positive x axis, then this graph is vertical, this graph is symmetrical about the y is equal to x axis, okay. And complete sketch, draw the 180 degree. So in this pictorial representation you can understand what is the odd function, okay, by the graphically either the function is symmetrical about y is equal to x axis or it top side of the x axis. Then to complete sketch, draw the 180 degree rotated mirror image on the bottom side of x axis. That means it is the rotation about the origin and symmetry and the 180 degree rotation about the origin. So what is the odd function? जहाँ पे भी function की वैल्यू x है हम उसको क्या करेंगे माइनस x and value is minus of fx. Okay, so hope you understand what is the odd function. Okay, so next property, how to testing for an odd function. कैसे हम चेक करेंगे कि फंक्शन मेरा odd है या even है. So to test whether a function is even or odd or neither, या तो even function है या odd function है या कोई भी नहीं है, neither इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है. Okay, so first we put the value, first we find the zeros. Okay, so here given the so that function x cube minus 4x, if फंक्शन जो दिया रहेगा उस पर अगर पावर क्या हो मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 हो, ओके, दैट मीन्स स्क्वायर फंक्शन. इफ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 देन से दिस इज द स्क्वायर फंक्शन. इफ मल्टीपल ऑफ इफ पावर इज गिवन मल्टीपल ऑफ नॉट 2 दैट मीन्स ऑड नंबर्स. ओके, सो हियर x टू द पावर 3 माइनस 4x एंड x पे पावर 1 है और x पे पावर 3 है, दैट मीन्स दिस इज द ऑड नंबर, दिस फंक्शन इज द odd function. Okay, so first here by observation you can understand this function is odd function. Okay, but here to solve this and check here the function is even or odd. So first we find the zeros of the given function. First we simplify and find the value of x cube minus 4x. After solving we get the two values. Okay, we get the three values, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 4. Okay, and evaluate and check at the point f4 पर चेक करेंगे. आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x is equal to 4 we get the value of f4 is equal to 48. Okay, and next after putting of value of x equal to minus 4 we get the value of minus 48. That means f at point minus 4 is equal to minus of f4. So f4 is equal to f minus 4 is equal to minus or minus of f4. So both value is equal. If satisfy this f minus x is equal to minus of fx, then say this function is the odd function. Okay, so hope you understand what is the odd function. And fx minus f minus x is always an odd function. Okay, sum of, and hope you understand a function can be expressed uniquely as the sum of even and odd function. Okay, so hope you understand fx minus f minus x upon 2 is called the odd function and function can be expressed as even plus odd. Next, by observation, how to say the function is even or odd. Okay, so first we know a function can be expressed uniquely as the sum of even as an odd function. Okay, so here given the two examples, f x to the power 4 plus 2 upon 3 x to the power 3, that means first power is even and sum of the function, a function can be expressed uniquely as the sum of even function and odd function. So f 5 x to the power 4 is the even function and 2 upon 3 x to the power 3 is the odd function, and uniquely as the sum is called the neither even nor odd. Okay, so hope you understand.